I learned soon enough that justice had little to do with the legal system, if at all. I also learned that justice was of little interest to great many service providers of the legal system. Last and definitely most, I learned that the last thing service providers in the justice machine wanted to do was be just to each other. It was a dog eat dog world of self serving street fighting. No quarter was asked or given, and the winner took it all. When the velvet gloves came off, there was blood on every hand. It took 20 years for the reality of the legal world to sink in. Hi budding lawyers, Prasanna Naidu here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a book named Legal Confidential by Ranjeev Dubey. Mr. Ranjeev C. Dubey is a corporate lawyer, author, columnist, public speaker, and blogger. Holds a degree in economics and law. He joined the chamber of a senior in the 30 Hazari courts in Delhi in 1981. Started his own chamber practice in 1983. Ranjeev ran his independent trial court practice for 14 years. And looking back, he believes these were the years that set the foundation for the development of his personality as a lawyer. Then he moved to corporate law, and by 1997, his transformation into a corporate commercial transactional lawyer was complete. In February 2000, Ranjeev established his Greenfield law firm, now called N South. He has been its managing partner since then. He has also written 3 books till now: Winning Legal Wars, Bullshit Quotient, and the third one, Legal Confidential, The Adventures of an Indian Lawyer. We all have seen those courtroom dramas in Bollywood movies. But the real life of litigation and a litigator, we all come to know when we step into litigation. Legal Confidential, The Adventures of an Indian Lawyer. It is so true. We all go through so many adventures, isn't it? In this book, author Ranjeev Dubey describes his personal experiences, right from starting his career as a trial court lawyer till he establishes his own corporate law firm. It starts with his learning years. After gaining experience under a senior lawyer for 2 years, he started his independent practice in Delhi's 30 Hazari courts. In the starting part of the book, he tells us what type of clients he represented and what type of cases he got, with his humorous way of storytelling. For example, he tells us about a cross-examination he took, where he says, "You can't get a divorce under Hindu law only because your wife is found naked in bed with a guy watching Kaun Banega Crorepati. For adultery to be proved, you have to prove penile penetration." He continues his cross-examination, the dialogue between him, his witness, and the judge. And later, he also tells what mistakes he did in this cross-examination. He continues with some more cases, goes into the facts of those cases, clients, etc. with the same humorous style. He also talks about his struggle, which most of the lawyers go through at the start of their career. For example, I think you know it, low salary. Can we call it a salary? Whatever it is, he talks about that. Then his accommodation in Delhi, traveling. He talks about his seniors with whom he had worked. How was their working style? He also talks about some judges. He tells an incident where he says, "A young judge told me that he was regularly heckled by under trials on bail when he took his daily ride to court on a DTC bus. The bus was all he could afford, and there were days he feared for his life." Judges didn't demand or get Kalashnikov-toting bodyguards back then. He has given intricate details about the working system of a trial court. I like the chapter named Hard Choices, where he talks about how to choose a career option for new lawyers. He goes into the reality of practice in lower courts and higher courts. He also narrates some personal bad experiences from his childhood till now on how the real world is out there. Likewise, he continues on how he started growing in this field, joining a law firm, getting into corporate law, the working system of law firms, types of people you come across, then the politics behind everything, etc. I won't go into much details over here because I want you to read the book. He also talks about some really interesting cases he was involved in when he was working in the firm. So don't miss it. Why should you read the book? I have already given enough reasons, but here are some more. The author of the book is in his 60s now, so he has a ton of experience, which is more than most of us. In a way, it makes this book a guide for all practicing lawyers, especially for those who are just starting out. In addition to that, the author does not use any legal jargon and his writing style is very humorous. So you never get bored and are always curious to know what will be coming up next. It gives a real look inside what it means to be a lawyer, the struggle, making of a career in one of the most complex professions. Hence, I recommend you to read this book. It will help you a lot. The link of the book is in the description. Click there and buy the book. If you liked the video, then do hit the like button and share this video with your friends. To keep watching such videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.